Hey there, welcome to the Review Pros, where we turn the spotlight on the hottest items hitting the market. We're going to explore the top 5 adjustable DC power supply available today. I'm here to help you navigate the world of products, one review at a time. Subscribe the channel to get new videos. Let's discuss the product in detail. Number 5. Tuotapu Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Tuotapu Adjustable DC Power Supply, model HY1310, is a versatile and precise tool for hobbyists and professionals. It features a dual output design, complete digital control, high resolution, low ripple and low noise, a software calibration function, a compact design, a high-definition LCD display, list mode and timer function. Remote compensation, RS-232 communication, and intelligent fan control. The dual output design allows users to power multiple devices simultaneously, making it ideal for complex projects. The power supply also supports remote compensation, ensuring stable output even over long distances. The HY1310's RS-232 communication capabilities and SCPI instructions make it easy to integrate into an intelligent testing platform. Number 4. Unity Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Unity Adjustable DC Power Supply is a versatile and reliable power supply for lab and DIY electrical projects. Made in mainland China, it offers a wide output range of 0-32V and a maximum output current of 0-10A, accommodating various applications. Its high-precision display ensures accurate readings, with a setting resolution of 10 mV for voltage and 1 mA for current. Safety features include overvoltage and overcurrent protection, ensuring devices are protected against potential damage. The user-friendly interface includes a keyboard lock for easy setting changes. The memory settings feature saves time by storing and recalling up to 3 groups of settings. The independent output switch allows for additional control, making it useful for managing power distribution during testing. The encoder adjustment allows for precise control of voltage and current levels, enhancing the device's usability. Number 3. DARY Adjustable DC Power Supply. The DARY Adjustable DC Power Supply is a versatile tool suitable for various electronic needs, making it ideal for hobbyists and professionals. Its adjustable output voltage allows for customized voltage settings, making it ideal for testing and powering various devices without multiple power supplies. The power supply supports a wide range of voltage outputs, making it suitable for powering various electronics. Crafted in mainland China, it has a sturdy build quality and meets stringent safety and quality standards with CE, FCC, and UL certifications. The user-friendly interface makes setting adjustments quick and easy, making it suitable for both experienced and beginner users. The compact design allows easy placement on workbench without taking up too much space, making it ideal for confined areas. The DARY Adjustable DC Power Supply is versatile and suitable for laboratories, educational institutions, and DIY projects. Number 2. WANTEC Adjustable DC Power Supply. The WANTEC Adjustable DC Power Supply is a reliable and efficient power supply suitable for various electronic projects and testing requirements. It offers a robust output power range of 201-300W and an adjustable output current of 0-10A. Available models include NPS 306W, NPS 3010W, NPS 605W, and NPS 1203W, making it easy to choose the right model for specific needs. The power supply operates as a single output type, supporting both 50 and 60 Hz output frequencies. CE certification ensures safety and environmental standards. This bench power supply is ideal for lab work, educational purposes, and hobbyist projects. Its adjustable current feature allows precise control for delicate electronic components. The power supply is built with high-concern chemicals and a robust design, ensuring safety and durability. Number 1. Quaitsu Adjustable DC Power Supply. The Quaitsu Adjustable DC Power Supply, model number, and 2088 SPS C3010, is a reliable and versatile power supply suitable for hobbyists and professionals. It offers an output power range of 201-300W, a steady 3A output current, and operates at 50/60 Hz, making it compatible with various electrical standards. The single output configuration simplifies setups and offers customization options. The power supply is CE and FCC certified, meeting rigorous safety and performance standards. The package includes a DC power supply, power cable, output line, as a gift, and instruction book. Users have reported excellent performance, with adjustable settings for easy fine-tuning. The Quaitsu power supply's robust build quality ensures longevity and an attractive addition to your workspace. The package includes accessories like a DC power supply, power cable, output line, and instruction book. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel and hit the bell button for every product review video.